Lightweight, with 8 hours of life. The best lightweight companion with 8 hours of life makes any hike or trip even more enjoyable. Power of 2. The easy SNC technology allows you to sync 2 pucks so you can enjoy double the sound on a hike, at the beach, during a workout or for any part of your day. With the simple touch of a button you can double the 5-watt speaker to another puck. Waterproof. Built with a tough and waterproof exterior, the puck can withstand harsh weather conditions. Bungee strap and speakerphone. Fasten the puck to almost anything and take phone calls with the built-in speakerphone. Top reviews from the United States. Great sound from such a small device. For the best sound quality, need to pair 2 devices for stereo sound. Very portable, so can take them anywhere. Very aesthetic. Small enough to hide away, or the classic black styling with the red accent mark make them nice enough to display. Very affordable. Very pleased with this purchase.